This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Okay guys, we've got a good one for you here today. Here we're looking at a toilet. We're in this master bathroom. You got 2 sinks. Quick finding we already found and notified, noted in the report. We've got 2 traps, one for each sink that connect in the middle. This is not the right way to do this. This is going to cause some siphoning. We've already noted some gurgling when you drain both sinks at the same time. What's interesting about this one though is when you get the toilet involved. So let's flush and listen. So here's what's happening is whatever you just flushed down that drain, whatever that toilet, that nastiness you just flushed, the gargling is actually a pull. Since we're not venting properly and the traps are not installed properly, that water wants to pull back into the sink because it's drawing more pressure this way than it is down the drain. And so the gargling is from the toilet nastiness to your drain. Not done properly, somewhat of a difficult repair to get it to vent properly, but definitely something we'll note in the report. Make sure these guys are aware of it. This is Brandon, your favorite home inspector. We'll see you on the next one.